Okay, everyone, welcome back to Home Time XYZ. It's Natasha, and today I'm just gonna make a quick snack. When I was growing up, we had this thing called sugar cake, and it's sugar with peanuts. And now that I'm on keto, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna do substitute Swerve in there. So this is the white Swerve. I'm gonna put it in it. Now, peanuts on keto in moderation, of course. So let's start. We have 1 tablespoon butter, and I'm just gonna lower the heat down and just let that melt. And if you notice my fingernails are orange, it's because I just peeled turmeric. I'm gonna make a tea, and I should have put on the gloves, so I have yellow nails. Okay, so we're just gonna let that go. Right, so 1 tablespoon butter. And then we're going to put in our 1 cup of peanuts. You can shell them yourself, or you can buy from the store shelled. Right. And then we're going to put in, I like ginger in my stuff, so I'm going to put some ginger. So I have all these ginger, so I'm just going to grate them quickly and put them in. You can never have enough ginger. Okay, well maybe you can, but I like to put a lot of it in it. Okay, so we have our ginger. Mix this up. And then let's add our sugar. This is 1/3 cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna add our almond essence. And of course, I always think you never have too much essence. I love it. And I'm gonna put some pumpkin seeds. This is just new. That's 1 tablespoon. You can put as much as you want. And just let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Okay, so look, it's nice and bubbly. So we're going to take off the stove. And parchment paper is your friend, so we're going to put it on the parchment paper. And then we're going to just flatten it out. So I put mine in the freezer. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay everyone, so the peanut cake is finished. It's fantastic. So I hope you try it. Share the video, subscribe, leave a comment. God bless you. Have a great day. I'm gonna go and enjoy some of this right now with my tea. Bye.
Na 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 na